Hey, welcome to Recraft Quick Tips and Tricks. Today I'll show you how to take just one reference image and turn it into a full professional AI photo shoot. Same style, same vibe, and even with your real products included. Step 1. Set the tone. Pick one strong image reference that matches the mood you're going for. In our case, it's this highly detailed portrait, but you can choose anything that fits your project. Inside Recraft, open the New Styles menu, upload your reference, give it a name, and save. You can adjust extra settings if you want, but let's keep it simple for now. From here, your style is saved as a custom style, ready to reuse across any project again and again. Step 2. Generate your shoot. With your style saved, you can now create as many images as you want. And every generation keeps the same look. Same colors, same lighting, same atmosphere. Just click on Image button, make sure your style is selected, type your prompt, and Recraft will generate visuals that feel like they're all part of one photo shoot. If you want to see the exact prompts we used, get access to our full project, links in the caption. Step 3. Add real products. Now let's make it even more practical. Say you want to show your actual product in the shoot. Here's how. Just select your main image, pick an external model, and attach a second image if needed. In our case, a hand cream. Add a simple plain language instruction and you'll get a result in seconds while keeping everything else consistent. You can use this approach to edit images and seamlessly add different products. The result is a full set of highly realistic, unique, and perfectly consistent visuals, ready to export and use however you like. Try this workflow for your next project, and don't forget to follow Recraft for more quick tips and tricks.